In this video, I'll show you how to make a powerful CO2 bedbug trap using simple, low-cost ingredients. It's safe, silent, and does the work for you while you sleep. Bedbugs are drawn to carbon dioxide, the gas we exhale when we breathe. As the gas is released, it lures bedbugs out of hiding. 2 tablespoons of dry yeast. The yeast is the engine of the trap. When it eats the sugar, it releases CO2, 2 cups of sugar. This is the food for the yeast. Feeds the reaction and keeps the gas flowing all night. 1 liter of warm water. Warm water activates the yeast and helps it start producing CO2 faster. A plastic bottle to hold the mixture. 1 zip bag. Placed on top of the bottle opening, the zip bag helps contain the CO2 gas, keeping it concentrated inside the trap to attract more bedbugs. A small container or bowl. This holds the trap steady and can catch any bugs that miss the entrance. It also makes it easier for bugs to climb up. Talcum powder or diatomaceous earth. Coating the inside of the funnel with talcum powder or diatomaceous earth makes the surface too slippery for bedbugs to climb back out. It helps keep them trapped in the container. Napkin or paper strip. Placed at the base or inside the container, a napkin helps bedbugs climb up into the trap easily by providing a textured path they can follow. Tape used to secure the napkin or paper strip to the container, ensuring it stays in place as a stable bridge for bedbugs to climb into the trap. Mix the sugar with the warm water. Stir until it dissolves. Add the dry yeast to the sugar water. Stir it gently. The yeast will start feeding on the sugar and producing CO2 gas. Add the mixture to the plastic bottle. Take a container. Sprinkle baby powder in the container. Use tape to firmly attach each of the 4 napkins to the container's edges. Make sure the tape holds the napkins securely in place so they don't shift or fall. This will be the bridge for the bedbugs to come into the trap. Put the plastic bottle with the yeast mixture inside the container, so it stands upright and stable. Then, cover the bottle's opening with the zip bag to trap the CO2 gas inside, keeping the scent concentrated to attract more bedbugs into the trap. So in this trap, I actually forgot to add the baby powder inside the container. Don't make the same mistake. It's a super important step because without it, bedbugs might crawl right back out. You want them stuck for good. Once you've assembled everything, place the trap near your bed, especially by the legs or corners where bedbugs hide. Check it in the morning to see the bedbugs inside the trap. But what if I told you baking soda might work even faster to get rid of bedbugs? Watch this video next.